Good morning, folks. Bob right here, Bobcat Outdoors. Hey, this morning we're down here around Raccoon Mountain pump station. We're going to be fishing some ledges and some deep water. I'm already liking what I see on the sonar. So, hey, let's see what we can make happen this morning. Hey, y'all, thanks for watching. When fellas from Georgia just stopped and gave me a whole cooler full of fresh skipjack. Man, you can't complain about that. Happy, happy, happy. That's good stuff. Getting a bite on this one, guys. I see the line moving. Something swimming off with it. Yeah, we got a fish on here. Let's give him a minute and make sure he's hooked. He's swimming off though. Should we reel down on him? Yeah, let's reel down on him. He wasn't there. Where is he? Yeah, he's there. He's there. He's there. He's just casually swimming off with it. That's cool. Doesn't feel like a big guy. Oh, here he is. He found me. He found me. Hooked up, guys. Not a big guy. But hey, first fish of the day. I'm excited. He just took it in his mouth and casually swimming off with it. Wind out here is awful today. Spot I'm trying to fish, I got blowing his bubbles out. Got an upstream wind against the current. Tough conditions. Yeah. Little teener. Little teener, got him a snack. Come on in here, boy. Hey, stop it. Stop it. Fat guy, he's been eating good in the neighborhood. Like Applebee's. Eating good in the neighborhood. Alright then. Get that hook out of you. Hey, stop it. Stop it. All I want to do is take your picture. Take your picture. That's all I want to do. And I'm sorry about that wind noise. I'm sure it's awful. If there's anything I could do about it, I would. Get the little timer on here. One more, guys. One more. Put him on back. Let you go, boy. Here you go. I'm set up in a little pinch point right here in the river. They call this area the Skillet. There's a creek that comes in right over there. This is the narrowest part of the channel. The wind is blowing at probably 15-20 mile an hour gale. Man, I'm just trying to keep the nose in the wind. That's all I can do today. This is an area that is super unfamiliar to me. I have never fished it before, so I don't know. I mean, it looks good on the fish finder. You see my boat right here. The blue is the deepest part of the channel. There's a creek that comes in right here. You know, let's see what happens. Like I said, the blue's the deep water. There's a little channel right here, and I'm kind of parked right in the entrance to the channel with a creek, with the old creek bed coming in off to my right over here. So I don't know. Let's see what happens. Whoa, fish on, guys, fish on. Look at him go. There he is. Yeah. Like I said, he's getting ready to move. Reeled up all my other lines. Getting ready to make a move, and I know something pecking on this one. Stay here another minute, I don't know. It's like about a 10-pounder. Ain't a big fish. It's a fish though, and I am thankful for it. It's been a tough day. Been a tough day. Yeah, you know, a little flathead. Look here. A little flathead. That's just like a flathead bite. He was just sitting there just pecking on it. Look at the little flathead, guys. Just leader him in. Oh. Hey, stop. He's not happy. He's not happy. Yeah, guys, look at that hook set. Boy, he's biting the bar out of my hand. You need to stop that, buddy. Pretty fish. These guys are, tell you what, they're the ultimate predator. Blend in with the bottom. Isaiah. Fish are hunters. Yes, they are. Beautiful fish too. Get a picture of him and put him back. Let him go back. There you go. Good stuff. All right, guys. When I'm using the skipjack head, I like to cut the fins off, keep it from interfering with getting in a fish's mouth. I'll cut the pectoral fins off. I cut the dorsal fin off. Anything that might interfere with a quality hook set, I go ahead and trim it off. Don't need it. Go ahead and get this one back down. See if we can find us another one. Just dropping it to the bottom and reeling it up where it's off the bottom about 4 feet. Because this wind, I'm working the channel edge in about 60 feet of water, and the wind's coming back upstream, so I'm using the trolling motor to keep the boat pointed downstream. And I'm pulling, suspending these baits and running up this channel edge at about a half a mile an hour. Between 3/4 and a half a mile an hour is all I'm doing. And trying to keep the boat in about 60 feet of water. We're in 61 right now, 0.64 mile an hour. That's all I can do. This wind, like I said, is coming straight back upstream. So in order to try to present a halfway natural bait to these fish, I'm keeping the bait off the bottom, traveling along this channel ledge, and running about a half a mile an hour. That's what I'm doing, guys. I got 2 rods going off the front of the boat. There's one, there's the other one, and I got 2 rods going off the back of the boat. These 2 rods on the back, I got about between 8 and 10 ounces on these rods to try and keep them down. All right, let's catch another one. Fish on. Fish on. About time. Fish on, guys. Been about an hour and a half since my last fish. I was baiting up another rod and turned up here and looked at this rod. I got 2 rods going off the back of the boat, 2 rods off the front of the boat. So there, he's tangled up in that other line. Doggone it. See if I can get him out of it. Yeah, he's tangled up. Yeah, there we go. Got him out. Got him out. Yeah, maybe. Good fish, guys. Fat fish. Oh, yeah. Hey, easy, easy, easy. Easy, you're gonna break something. You're gonna break something. I know you mad. I know you mad, girl. She is fat. Yes, look at that. Look at that. That's a fat girl right here. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. That gets the right pliers. There we go. There we go. Let her go back. 10, 15 pound. Got a nice big old belly. Probably a female. She's probably full of eggs. Alright, girl. And I'll let you go on back now. There, let it go. There she goes. She gone. All right, guys, we got a deep hole right here adjacent to some timber on the bank. We're gonna stop and fish it and see what happens. It's got a good look to it. 50 something feet of water, some flooded timber over here. Oh, it looks interesting. Fish on. I was fixing to pull the lines in and move. Just went downtown. Yeah, buddy, I was fixing to pull the lines up and dropped back about 100 feet when this one went down. It's fish 4 or 5 for today, I'm not sure. Didn't feel like a monster. Decent fish though. Wind's starting to calm down a little bit. Not quite as bad as it was earlier. Doggone, it's been a tough day of fishing though. Keep you out of that other line there, buddy. It has been a tough day. It's a good little blue. Better get him with the grippers. If only I knew where the grippers were at. Let's pin back in the rod holder for a minute. Go find the grippers. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. He's just hanging out like a hair on a biscuit. There we go. Yeah. There we go, buddy. What you got in your mouth? What you got in your mouth? There you go. There we go. Let's get you on back in the water. I know. You just trying to get you a snack, wasn't you, sweetie? She gone. All right, guys. That was a good fish. Probably one of the bigger ones I've caught today. Wasn't no monster. But hey, I'll take it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making the video. I enjoyed the fishing. What I didn't enjoy was battling the wind all day long. But some days, you know, you have days where you just have to fight the wind. No other choice. I get one day a week to fish on, and whether it's windy, rainy, cold, or whatever, if I want to fish, I deal with what I've got. So this video is just some different tactics that I used on this particular day in different locations along the river to help me to be able to put some fish in the boat. I didn't put a whole lot of fish in the boat, but I was happy to have the fish I did put in the boat. Hey guys, thank y'all for watching my videos, and I appreciate each and every one of you who are watching my videos and subscribing, and it keeps me coming back week after week and wanting to make more videos. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my videos and click the bell for notifications every time I upload a new video. Thank y'all, and God bless.